affordable, portable security for you and your loved ones.
I met these incredibly talented young people, kids who were working on everything from portable housing for disaster victims to technology that can detect smuggled uranium before it became a threat. This young man had built a prototype, and I asked him.
When some government officials gave her the runaround, she plowed ahead on her own, secured loans, finding portable classrooms and books, and doing everything it took to make sure her kids, our kids, could return to some semblance of normalcy.
Savings that are portable. We've made it easier for folks to buy health insurance, making it portable so you can strike out and do your thing.